Hello, I am Roshni Venugopal of 14CS121 and this is my lab experiment number 6 for Case Tools Lab. In this experiment, we will be dealing with railway reservation system and I have drawn an activity diagram for it. Now, in this activity diagram, this is the initial state and from the initial state, the first activity is to enter the username and password by the user. Now, once the username and password is entered, it will go into a decision symbol, and it will check if the you entered username and password is if it is valid or invalid. Now, if it is invalid, it will show that there is no match for the entered details in the database. Therefore, it will ask to re-enter the details and bring the person to the initial page, that is for entering the username and password again. But if the entered username and password is valid, then this activity that it shows does is that the login is successful and it will the user has to choose the next action. Now, I have given two options. First is for two activities. One is book ticket and another is cancel ticket. Now, in book ticket, the first thing the user has to enter is the date of journey. Now, after entering the date of journey, he will check for the train availability. Now, if the train is available, there are two options. If the train can be available or it is not available. Now, if the trains are available, if it is not available, then the person will have to re-enter the date of journey for checking the availability of trains for some other dates. But if it is available, then and the passenger has to enter all the details, his name, from and to station, date of journey, etc., and then confirm the booking. Now, after confirming the ticket, he has to pay. Now, payment can be done by a debit card or credit card, and then booking is successful, and finally the person can log out from the system. Or otherwise, if the person wants to cancel the ticket, now here we will see how the cancellation is being done. If the person wants to cancel the ticket, he has to enter the PNR number and a decision symbol is followed, where if the PNR number is confirmed, then he will refund the money. But if he wants to cancel the confirmation for cancellation, then he can directly go and log out, and this is the final state for it. So this was basically my activity diagram. This is a simple activity diagram where all the objects activities are combined into a single diagram. Now we will be discussing the swim lane diagram. In swim lane diagram, the difference is that there are the each object is separated by a vertical line, and over here we can see that there are three objects. First is customer, second is website, and the third is database. Now, and there is horizontal swim lane also that is available, but we'll be using vertical ones over here. Now, first one is website. The login page will be shown, and from the login page, the customer can enter the username and password. Now, in the database, it is checked if the user exists or not. Now, if it exists, he exists, the user exists, then he will be directed to the website, that is the home page. If not, then again to the login page will be directed. Now here in the customer, if the customer can book a ticket or a cancelled ticket. If he wants to book a ticket, the details have to be entered. Now it will be checked in the database if the trains are available. Now again, the website, it will display the trains available trains and its date of journey, the availability, number of seats left. Now once the person checks with it, the customer can enter the details and confirm the booking, where the website will provide a PNR number, and finally the booking is confirmed and directly he can log out. Now, if the person wants to cancel the ticket, over here we go with the second option, that is cancellation of the ticket, then he has to enter the PNR number. Now, when the PNR number is entered, it will check in the database if the ticket exists with that same PNR number. And if it exists, then the confirmation for the cancellation is asked through the website, and the user will cancel confirmation he will give, and finally he can log out, and this is the final state. So in swim lane we can see that there are three distinct objects, and activity of each of the object is specified very clearly, but the normal activity diagram doesn't have that. So This is my experiment number 6. Thank you.